Hi, my name is Rob Woodcox, and I've been teaching photography for 8 years in over 15 countries and 25 cities worldwide. I've helped thousands of students achieve their personal and professional goals to advance their photographic skills and careers. I currently teach fashion and editorial photography on Udemy, an online marketplace for educational courses. Udemy has over 20 million users learning everything from photography to business to mobile app development. You can take my course at any time, at your own pace, on any device with lifetime access. Beginning and intermediate visual artists, as well as advanced photographers, will benefit from this masterclass. You can apply the skills that I'll be sharing to a wide range of photographic styles, including fine art, portrait, wedding, and fashion photography. Click through on the link at the bottom left of this video player to access a special discount to my course. I look forward to teaching you fashion photography on Udemy.